Hello and welcome. So here it's given the equation below. What is the coordinate point of the vertex? All right. So when we're looking at this, coordinate point of the vertex. Vertex, if you remember, is like the turning point of the graph. It's that maximum or minimum for a quadratic. All right. So quadratic is a nice U-shaped graph. Okay, and it can either be going facing up or it could be facing down, either or. Okay, the vertex is going to be that minimum or maximum, that turning point. Now, once you know what a vertex is, where it is on the graph, it becomes a lot easier to find it. Now, for this particular equation, there's a couple of ways we could find it. Now, the easiest way is just going to be the shortcut is once you look at this, you might recognize, hey, this is in vertex form, meaning that we call it vertex form because what can we easily find from it? The vertex, right? Vertex is really important because vertex form is written in that a x minus h squared plus k. All right, and hopefully you know that a vertex is written as h comma k. The reason why we use the letters h and k while writing the vertex is because they come from vertex form. Alright? So let's just look at this. You say, okay, well, the k is the number on the outside, so negative 8. So we know automatically right then and there, negative 8. Bam. Okay, that'll be the y coordinate of the vertex. Now let's look at the x coordinate, the first part of that coordinate point. This is where it gets a little, I hesitate to use the word tricky, but a little tricky. Is in the vertex form, we see that not as plus h, but minus h. Meaning that whatever sign that you see here, it's going to be the opposite of it. So if you see a plus 9, your actual coordinate of the vertex will be minus 9. And the reason why is that we want to be able to rewrite that in terms of subtraction. So, addition can be written as the same thing as subtracting a negative, right? Two negatives is a positive, which means that this can be rewritten as x minus a negative 9 squared minus 8, which means that if we're looking at this minus h from our vertex form, here's your value right there, because it's subtraction then the number. Okay, kind of a weird way to think about it, but just remember that whenever you're finding the x-coordinate, it's essentially always going to be a flip, right? Y, you grab exactly what you see. So whatever's on the outside, whether it's a positive, whether it's a negative, you literally grab that exact same value there. Whatever's in here, swap the sign. So if you have x plus 9, minus 9 will be the x-coordinate. If you have x minus 7, positive 7 would be, let me write that out. If you have x minus 7, squared plus whatever, that means 7 comma whatever that other number is will be the vertex. Okay, nothing too crazy, but that is vertex form. That's the best and easiest way to find it. Thanks for watching.